E1.
My wonderful traveling experience on the Vande Bharat Express was nothing short of extraordinary. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share my journey aboard train number 22439, traveling from New Delhi railway station to Katra in Jammu. This adventure took place on the 24th of December 2024, a day filled with festive vibes and excitement. So, sit back, relax, and let me take you along on this unforgettable ride. The day began early at the iconic New Delhi railway station. Even on a chilly winter morning, the station buzzed with life. The energy was contagious, and the festive season only added to the charm. My boarding point was E1, the first-class compartment of the Vande Bharat Express. From the moment I stepped inside, I was greeted by an ambience of luxury and comfort. The interiors were elegant, featuring spacious reclining seats, large windows offering panoramic views, and a spotless, well-maintained environment. It immediately set the tone for what was to come, a premium travel experience like no other. The train departed promptly at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time, and I must commend its punctuality. As the train smoothly pulled out of the station, I settled into my seat and prepared to enjoy the journey. The sight of the rising sun through the expansive windows was mesmerizing. It was a moment of pure serenity and the perfect way to begin the day. The train's effortless acceleration and smooth ride made it all the more enjoyable. Now, let's dive into the details of the amenities. Each seat came equipped with a personal reading light, a foldable tray table, and generous legroom. The fully air-conditioned coach also offered Wi-Fi connectivity and onboard infotainment, ensuring passengers remained comfortable and entertained throughout the journey. Whether you wanted to relax, work, or enjoy the scenery, the Vande Bharat Express had something for everyone. Breakfast was served shortly after departure, and it was a delightful experience. The catering service on board was impeccable. I received a hygienically packed meal that was both delicious and satisfying, accompanied by steaming hot tea. The staff's attentiveness and courteous demeanor added to the overall positive vibe of the journey. It's these thoughtful touches that make all the difference. Plus, the selection of breakfast options was quite impressive, catering to diverse tastes. Whether you prefer a classic Indian breakfast or something more continental, there was something to suit everyone's preferences. As the train sped through the heart of North India, I was captivated by the breathtaking scenery outside. Snow-covered peaks, winding rivers, and lush green valleys unfolded like scenes from a painting. It was impossible not to be enchanted by the beauty of the journey. Every turn offered a new postcard-worthy view, and the train's smooth motion allowed me to fully immerse myself in these moments. I even took some time to capture photos and videos, and I'll be sharing those in my next travel vlog, so stay tuned for that. Cleanliness is a top priority for me when traveling, and the Vande Bharat Express exceeded my expectations in this regard. The restrooms were impeccably maintained throughout the journey, reflecting the high standards of service on this train. It's details like these that elevate the overall travel experience and leave a lasting impression. It's also worth mentioning the crew's commitment to hygiene and passenger comfort, which was evident at every step. After an enjoyable 8-hour journey, we arrived at Katra railway station right on time at 2 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Stepping off the train, I felt immense gratitude for such a seamless and memorable experience. The Vande Bharat Express truly sets a new benchmark for train travel in India. From its exceptional service to the stunning landscapes it traverses, this journey was an absolute delight. Katra welcomed me with open arms, and the sight of the Vaishno Devi Hills in the distance was the perfect final to an already amazing trip. Before heading to my accommodation, I took a moment to reflect on the journey and appreciate how comfortable and convenient it was. This journey wasn't just about reaching a destination, it was an experience to be cherished forever. If you're planning a trip to Katra, I wholeheartedly recommend traveling on the Vande Bharat Express. Trust me, it's an experience you won't forget. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed hearing about my experience, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more travel stories and adventures. I'd love to hear about your favorite train journeys, so drop your stories in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels, everyone. Stay tuned for my next video where I explore the charm of Katra town and my visit to the Vaishno Devi shrine. It's going to be an adventure you won't want to miss.
एक बात बताओ, इस गाड़ी में कौन सी